Hello and welcome to channel. I'm Steven, the founder of Xiha Montessori, and today I am excited to share some wonderful spring art activities for preschoolers. Spring is a time for renewal and creativity, and what better way to celebrate the season than with some fun art? Projects that children can do at home or in the classroom. At Xiha Montessori, we believe in promoting hands-on nature-inspired learning experiences. These activities will help children explore the beauty of spring while developing essential skills like fine motor control, creativity, and love for nature. So let's dive into some exciting and easy to do spring art projects. Let's start with a simple but fun activity. Flower stems will paint. All you need are some fresh flowers, paper, and non-toxic paint. Let children dip the flowers into the paint and stamp them onto paper, creating beautiful flower prints. This activity helps with fine motor skills and allows children to explore the shapes and textures of flowers. Next up is the spring tree college. For this, you'll need brown construction paper, green tissue paper, and any other colorful materials like pom-poms or glitter. Kids can glue the green tissue paper as leaves and create their own spring tree on a brown trunk. This project encourages creativity and lets children practice their cutting and pasting skills. Nature prints are another great activity that brings the outdoors inside and go on a nature walk with the children, collecting leaves, twigs, and flowers. Once you have your materials, use them to create prints by dipping them in paint and pressing them onto paper. It's a great way for children to learn about nature and get creative with texture and design. Spring is also the perfect time to introduce animal art projects such as creating paper bunnies or chicks using colorful construction paper, markers, and other craft materials so children can make their own spring animals and decorate them however they like. This activity not only teaches them about animals, but also provides a fun and creative way to use their imagination. Finally, we have colorful paper butterflies. This activity is a fantastic way to teach kids about symmetry. Simply cut out butterfly shapes from paper and let children decorate them with markers, crayons, or even glitter. This project is perfect for reinforcing the concept of symmetry and making something beautiful that represents the season. As you can see, these spring art activities are not only fun and engaging, but also help children develop important skills such as fine motor control, creativity, and an appreciation for the world around them. By incorporating nature into their art, we help children connect with the season in a meaningful way. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring some springtime creativity into your classroom or home. Remember, these activities are simple, easy to set up, and most importantly, full of fun. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tips for your preschoolers. Let us know in the comments which activity your children enjoy the most. And feel free to share any other spring art ideas you have. If you found this video helpful, please you can share it with your fellow educators. And don't forget to check out our website at xihamontessori.com for more activities and educational resources.